Photorealistic videos with nearly perfect details, especially clips approaching 60 seconds long, are shaking up the world thanks to OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT's latest innovation. Sora, the new tool from this AI company, is likely a quantum leap in the text-to-video industry. It's rare for us to be left speechless by a new AI tool, but Sora accomplishes just that. The quality of the videos is truly impressive, and I'm confident you'll feel the same after seeing them. OpenAI surprised everyone by unveiling a new tool that can generate videos from text prompts. While this isn't entirely novel, the showcase clips are unparalleled. One example featured a woman in Tokyo, with the full prompt provided alongside, emphasizing that no post-production editing was done. The level of detail is breathtaking, making it seem as though the videos were shot with a camera. Furthermore, drone footage appears remarkably realistic, though upon closer inspection, minor details may betray their authenticity. Nevertheless, the potential Sora offers is staggering, whether for creating advertisements, videos, or even entire films reminiscent of Pixar's style. I'll briefly highlight a few videos, particularly an extreme close-up of a human eye that looks unbelievably real. The level of detail, from the eyelashes to the reflections, is strikingly authentic. Similarly, clips featuring an octopus, crab, chameleon, or birds by the river resemble scenes from a nature documentary. Compared to current competition like Runway or Pixar, Sora represents a significant leap forward, as its videos aren't just animated images with added life, but rather subjects that move convincingly, lending a much more realistic touch. In one clip, we virtually navigate through a museum, hinting at future possibilities with VR and devices like the Apple Vision Pro. Artists are being presented with new opportunities, and soon, we may create our own videos using just the right prompts. OpenAI acknowledges the tool's current limitations, particularly in handling interactions between multiple subjects within a clip. Despite these weaknesses, Sora is the most impressive text-to-video tool we've seen yet. As for Sora's official release and accessibility through ChatGPT's Plus account, OpenAI has yet to disclose details. Currently, only a select few testers are putting the tool through its paces. However, given the promising results, it's likely nearing public release. Stay tuned for updates. We'll keep you informed. This certainly won't be our last video on Sora. We aim to keep you up to date as quickly as possible. In the description, we've linked an article for more information. Don't miss out on future updates and videos about Sora and its counterparts. Consider subscribing. I'd love to hear your thoughts on Sora's videos, so leave a comment. I'm genuinely interested in your opinions. Stay tuned. See you in the next one.